today's the day when I show you basic operators in Python, the most common operators that you are going to use when you are coding. So we have three of them, three types of operators. I'm going to classify them using comments, all right, for us to follow a line of thinking that is going to be incremental, all right? So let's first create our file. So click with the right button of your mouse, new file, operators.py. Open the file and let's put the operators that exist. So as a comment, I'm gonna put here arithmetic operators, probably the ones you already know, comparison operators, and logical operators. I don't know if you say logic or logical operators, you can put in the comments, all right? So let's start with the arithmetic operators. You probably already know the basic ones like minus, like plus, minus, division with a slash, and multiply with a asterisk, all right? With an asterisk. Let's put some constants here. So sum 1 plus 1. So this operator here is the addition operator, right? The operator that we use when we want to perform a sum, all right, of two values or more. Anyway, sum, subtraction, 1 minus 1, multiplication. Let's put mult here, 1 times 1, division, so div 1 divided by 1, right? These are the basic ones, but in Python we also have the exponentiation operator. So exp, not your x, sorry, x to the power of, all right? Let's put another value here because 1 to the power of anything will not be a good example, but let's put 2 to the power of 2, all right? You put basically 2 asterisks, all right? So 1 asterisk represents multiplication. 2 asterisks represent exponentiation, okay? What else? Floor division, for example. Floor div 2 divided, floor divided by 2, right? Basically the floor division is a division that rounds down the number, okay? So for example, let's put another number here to exemplify, like 2.5 floor divided by 2. We're going to see that it is going to be rounded down, right? Because the result will have decimal parts and the floor division divides but takes off the decimal parts of the result, okay? So this is a perfect example of a floor division. And let me see the last one that we can check out now. Sum, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, floor division, and modulus, all right? This operation, mod, is basically when you want to discover a remainder of a division, all right? For example, 17 modulus, and the operator is the percent sign, the percentage sign. This is not percentage calculus, all right? This is not calculating the percentage of the value. Don't make this mistake, all right? This sign right here is mod, all right? So for example, 17 mod 5, the result of this operation is going to be 2 because like 5 goes 3 times into 17, all right? And what is the remainder? 2, you know? So that's how this operation, this operator works. Don't forget this, and don't think wrongly that the percentage sign is basically a percentage operation, okay? You calculate percentages in other way that you're going to see in the future, okay? So these are the basic arithmetic operators. Let's print to see the results. All right, so print sum. Let's see what sum looks like with the addition operator. Probably you already made some operations like this. So Python operators .py 1 plus 1 equals 2. Perfect. Let's print now the subtraction. 1 minus 1 is 0. All right, no problem with that. Another one is the multiplication. So 1 times 1, probably 1. All right, you can see here 1. Let's change the values for us to see another examples. So $129 times 232. Let's see this result. It's 29,928. Okay. Let's put another one here. So 10 divided by 3. Let's see the result. Sorry, I forgot to print the division result. Forgot to change here the parameter. Now we have 3 point many decimal parts of 3 and the last one being 5. Okay, so this is a float number. That is the result of the division, 10 divided by 3. All right, let's see the exponentiation. So 2 to the power of 2 is 4. All right, let's put another one here. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. All right, exponentiation. Floor division, a good example for us to see now is the same one that we have here, 10 divided by 3. We can use as an example as 10 floor divided by 3, and let's perform this operation. Let's see what happens. And wasn't that supposed to show 3 point many decimal parts of 3? Many numbers repeated 3 as the division shows us? Not really, because this is a floor division. It takes off the decimal parts. All right, and to finish, let's see the modulos. 17 mod 5 is 2. So basically, how many times 5 goes into 17? 3, but 2 is the remainder, right? The rest is 2. How can we discover this? How can we discover the remainder? How can we discover the remainder of a division using the mod operation? Okay, that's how you perform operations with the arithmetic operators. These are the arithmetic operators in Python. These are some of the real interviews that I recorded to show you how real companies interview developers from inside. Use them to prepare for real interviews and get the job of your dreams. Go to matosacademy.com or click the link below.